Okay, that equals 4 times 9. Times 49. Okay, so we can find the square root of that. So now remember, we can separate this, and this becomes the square root of 4 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 49. Okay, square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of square root of 9 is 3 times the square root of 49, which equals 7. Okay, and 2 times 3 times 7 equals 42. Okay, all right, let's move on. Okay, all right, so let's do a few of these. So let's say we want to find the square root of 25 over 81. Okay, that's easy. Okay, we can do square root of 25 over square root of 81. Okay, the square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 81 is 9. So, answer is 5 nines. Okay, let's do this. Let's do plus or minus square root of 121 over the square root of 289. Okay, so now remember our answer, we have to bring down the plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus, plus or minus the square root of 121 over square root of 289. Okay, and so that equals plus or minus 11 over 17. Okay. Last problem. Okay, let's say I want to find the square root of 64 hundredths. Okay, that's an easy one. You don't need your calculator for this. Okay, 64 hundredths. So square root of 64 hundredths. Okay, so I'm turning this decimal into a fraction. Okay, now this, that's easy. Just because it's a fraction, you don't need to, freak out. Remember, we can separate the 64 and the hundreds, so this actually becomes the square root of 64 over the square root of 100. Okay, now that's easy. Square root of 64 is 8, and then over the square root of 100, which is 10, so 8 tenths